It is Steve here. Coming to you talk about this trade I took on SPY. All right, so let's get into it. So I took, I was looking, coming into the market, I was looking for a rejection either off this supply level up here. Hopefully, it was looking for up here for the bigger move. But as it was going up, I saw that SPY was rejecting off the 0.718 fib, and it was holding here. So I got in around 1021, and if broke over this, then I would get out for a small loss. So stayed in trade here. Started moving down. All right, so I'm good in the contracts. So it's rejecting off of here, so I'm confident these are gonna pan out. And so I stayed in, and then I got this big candle down here, and then it starts consolidating. When it starts consolidating between EMAs, I use the EMAs as stop losses. So I held in this trade, held. So I was targeting the 200 EMA on a 5-minute. So it bounces off the 14 EMA, flushes all the way down to the 200 EMA, and targeting this green line here, which is ATR level. But I got out around right here as soon as it hit the 200 EMA. Left a little bit on here, but that's fine. Price likes to bounce off the 200 EMA on the 5-minute. Occasionally on the 10-minute also, but usually at the 5-minute first. So these contracts ran for about 90%. Actually, I got out at 90%. They ran for a little bit more than that, probably 100%. 1 DTE, because I was just looking for a big move, and the way the market's been going on lately, I do not want to use 0 DTE because the market is just crazy. But yeah, these went for about 100%. I got out at 90, and then on my second trade, since it was a downtrend, I was looking for the market to push up to VWAP, which is this line right here. So it goes up to VWAP, it rejects, but I didn't get in right here. I should have. But I waited until it held under here, under the 200 EMA. Like I said before, that's probably my favorite EMA. Held under, I got in here, right here, and then wrote it down to exactly right here. Why I got out exactly right here, the perfect exit. Mainly I took the fib levels from down here all the way up top, and it was in between the golden zone. This is the golden zone I used, the 786. I said 718 before, but 786 and 618. And there's a consolidation box over here from yesterday. So I got out there, and I mean immediately as I got up, price rode back up. So that was a little lucky, but at the same time I did have the fibs here and an idea of this box here, so I knew it was probably time they'll start chopping around here or reverse. And yeah, those were my 2 trades. This one went for about 15%, and this one went for 90%. So those are 2 trades that I took today on SPY 1 DTE.